Hello guys, and today I will make a chicken golden blue. But first, we need our chicken breast and the knife and the chopping board. First, we need to slit the meat in a half to make it thinner. Next, we need to place the cling wrap on the chopping board. Next, place the chicken on the cling wrap. Once the chicken is flattened, season with salt and pepper. Then we need to rub it so that the seasoning will absorb for the chicken. To place the cheese and the ham. After that, we need to chill in the freezer within 30 minutes. Here's our breadcrumbs, the all-purpose flour, and the egg. When the oil is hot, let's fry the chicken.